Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will know one of the hidden feature called mobile data only apps in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. So, what is mobile data only apps? That means the apps that you choose will only use mobile data always. Okay, even if you are connected to public Wi-Fi or your personal Wi-Fi or your organization Wi-Fi or whatever may be, um, even at the time too, those apps, the selected apps will be using only mobile data. Okay, this is for the purpose of this to use those particular apps frequently without cutting. Okay, cutting means if you want to always be connected with the internet through that apps, yes, you can do it. Okay, without any interruption. Okay, you can easily manage them. Okay, so here we'll see how to do it. Just go to these settings first and go to connections, then go to data usage, and here you will see one option mobile data only apps. Okay, you can choose what apps to be set for this. Okay, so if you want to always be connected without blocking by others or your own network, you can choose here. Suppose if you want to always connect always make connection for Amazon, just turn on Amazon. Okay, if you want to always use other apps, here I choose Greek Heroes and Facebook. Suppose if you are going to your college or school, if there is internet Wi-Fi, if you already used to your internet, that internet, your phone will be automatically connected to that network at the time. If there is some apps like Facebook and other things like WhatsApp or blocked in that network, you cannot connect. Okay, your Facebook your Facebook apps will not get any notifications if you are connected to those network. If you are connected to those Wi-Fi which have blocked this Facebook or WhatsApp or whatever app. Okay, for those apps, just you can select here. It will always use mobile data. It will not use your public network. Okay, your school network or your college network or whatever may be. Okay, so always it be connected. So for this purpose it is set. Okay, this is one of the special hidden feature in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.